First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. The icon looks like a white ghost on a yellow background. Log in if you aren't already signed into your account. Once you're in the app, tap on the magnifying glass icon in the top left corner. This will open up the search page. On the search page, type in the full name or username of the friend you want to add. As you type, Snapchat will show results for usernames and display names matching what you entered. When you see the friend you want to add in the results, tap on the plus add button to the right of their username. This sends them a friend request. After the user accepts your friend request, they will be added to your friends list, and you can snap them directly from Snapchat. That's all it takes to send a friend request. You'll have to wait for the user to accept before you can interact with them. But the search makes it easy to find and add friends if you know their Snapchat username or display name.